Hello everyone! Is your car's check engine light on, and you're noticing headlight or electrical issues? If your OBD-II scanner has shown the P0649 code, it means there's a problem with the speed control lamp control circuit, low voltage. This can cause speed control malfunctions, poor cruise control performance, and even warning lights staying on or off incorrectly. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0649 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key components to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0649? The P0649 code stands for Speed Control Lamp Control Circuit Low. Your car's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, or Body Control Module, BCM, controls the speed control indicator lamp, which is responsible for showing whether cruise control is engaged. If the system detects low voltage in this circuit, it triggers P0649, potentially causing speed control or dashboard indicator malfunctions. This issue is common in modern cars with electronic throttle and cruise control systems, and if ignored it could lead to erratic cruise control behavior. Common symptoms of P0649: check engine light on cruise control, not engaging or working intermittently. Speed control indicator lamp not turning on/off correctly. Erratic throttle response when cruise control is active. Other electrical issues related to dashboard indicators. If your car has any of these symptoms, let's locate the key components responsible for P0649. To diagnose P0649, check these key parts. Speed control indicator lamp. Location: inside the instrument cluster/dashboard part of the speedometer or digital display. Function: shows whether the cruise control is on or off. Cruise control module/switch. Location: near the steering wheel or mounted on the dashboard. Function: sends signals to engage or disengage the speed control system. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location: mounted on the firewall, under the dashboard, or in the engine bay. Function: controls the cruise control system and indicator lamp circuit. Body control module, BCM. Location: under the dashboard, near the fuse box, or in the engine bay. Function: manages various electronic functions including the speed control indicator lamp, wiring and connectors. Location: between the BCM, PCM instrument cluster and cruise control module. Function: ensures proper electrical signal transmission. Common causes of P0649 faulty speed control indicator lamp. If the lamp is burnt out or damaged, it may cause low voltage errors. Faulty cruise control switch. A bad switch can fail to send proper signals, leading to voltage issues. Loose or corroded wiring. Poor connections between the PCM, BCM, and speed control lamp can trigger this code. Failing body control module, BCM. If the BCM malfunctions, it may send incorrect signals to the indicator lamp. PCM software issues. A software glitch in the PCM or BCM may cause voltage inconsistencies. How to fix P0649? Step 1. Check for other related codes. If additional error codes appear, inspect the entire speed control system. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or loose wires near the PCM, BCM, and dashboard cluster. Step 3. Test the speed control indicator lamp. If it's faulty, replace the bulb or check the digital display system. Step 4. Check the cruise control switch. Use a multimeter to test if it's sending signals correctly. Step 5. Test the body control module, BCM. If necessary, update or replace it if it's sending incorrect signals. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and monitor if it returns. Ignoring P0649 can cause cruise control malfunctions, incorrect warning light behavior, and other electrical issues. Fixing it restores proper cruise control operation, improves driving comfort, and ensures accurate dashboard indicator readings. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0554, brake switch circuit malfunction. P0555, brake booster pressure sensor circuit malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.